I spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches after working as a nuclear power electrician. If there is one thing I know, it's that a machine is only as good as its armor. Today, we are looking at two heavy hitters in the ultimate category, the Liberty GXV9S and the Fujitsu FOC18. These aren't your basic builder grade boxes, these are high-tech pieces of cooling machinery. When it comes to the build, both of these units are bringing the heavy artillery. The Liberty GXV9S and the Fujitsu FOC18 both feature louvered coil protection. From a technician's perspective, this is the gold standard. Those steel slats are there to ensure that hail, debris, or a stray rock from a lawnmower doesn't turn your expensive aluminum fins into a mashed up mess. In a nuclear plant, we shielded everything that mattered, and both these brands are doing exactly that for your home. Under the hood, we are looking at serious efficiency. The Liberty GXV9S hits up to 19 SEER2, while the Fujitsu FOC18 holds its own at 18 SEER2. Both units utilize advanced variable speed inverter compressors. As an electrician, I can tell you that Inverter Tech is the holy grail of power management. It eliminates that massive inrush current, the giant electrical spike you get when a standard compressor slams on. These units ramp up like a dimmer switch, saving your electrical components from unnecessary wear. Now, let's talk about the damage to your wallet. For a 3-ton system, the Liberty GXV9S equipment usually runs around $4,500 with an average installed price between $9,500 and $10,000. The Fujitsu FOC18 is a premium Japanese engineered unit, often retailing near $5,200 for the equipment. It lands between $11,000 and $15,000 for a full professional install. You're paying for precision, but you need to know if that extra spend is pulling its weight. Before we crown a winner, here is a field-tested tip. High-efficiency systems are incredibly sensitive to static pressure. If your ductwork is undersized or your filters are packed with dust, these smart compressors will ramp up to compensate, killing the very efficiency you paid for. Swap those filters every 2 months if you want these machines to live to a ripe old age. In the warranty showdown, Liberty brings a massive advantage to the table. Both offer 10-year parts coverage, but Liberty includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor dies in year 9, Liberty doesn't just send a tech to sweat in a new part. They give you a brand new outdoor unit. Fujitsu offers a solid 10 to 12 year parts warranty through their elite dealers, but they don't match that whole unit replacement guarantee. The verdict is in, and the winner is the Liberty GXV9S. Even with both units sporting louvered cabinets and high-end inverter tech, Liberty takes the trophy because of the warranty and the price point. You get equivalent physical protection and top-tier efficiency, but with a significantly better safety net for your investment and a lower upfront cost. It's the smarter play for your bottom line, period. Shop like a pro and use our brand comparison tool on the HVAC for Beginners website to see how these numbers look for your specific home.